Lecture 1. Important words with their meanings which start from letter A. Abandon. Abandon. Abandon means tark karna या छोड़ देना. The teacher has abandoned his class. Ability. Ability means qabiliyat. He has the ability to solve this problem. Abuse. Abuse means गाली देना. He is abusing to everybody. Achieve. Achieve means hasil karna. Achieve means hasil karna. Acknowledge. Acknowledge means taslim karna. We have acknowledged that we have committed mistakes. Appreciate. Appreciate means sarhana या तारीफ करना. We appreciate him everywhere. Appropriate. Appropriate means munasib, mauzu. Please wear appropriate shoes for this event. Aim. Aim means maqsad. My aim is to be a doctor. Amend. Amend. Amend means तरमीम करना. तरमीम करना. Aid. Aid means मदद. मदद करना या इमदाद. The organization provided aid to the flood victims. Admire. Admire means तारीफ करना. Admire means तारीफ करना. Arrogant. Arrogant means maghrur. Arrogant means maghrur. His arrogant behavior upset everyone at the meeting. Aspire. Aspire means arzu karna या ख्वाहिश रखना. ख्वाहिश रखना. He aspired to become a successful engineer one day.